Hey guys, it's Amanda, and today I'm at my favorite store, grocery outlet. I love going here because the items sell really well on Walmart. So today we are sourcing to sell on the Walmart platform. So the things that you really need to bring with you are any tax exempt certificates that you have. Unfortunately, my grocery outlet doesn't accept any tax exempt forms, so I do have to pay the taxes, which then I just write off at the end of the year. But if you want to go into other grocery outlets, they do that on some other areas, but just not mine. And you also want to bring your bags. I live in Washington State, and so they don't provide you bags. We have to pay 8 cents per bag, and so I don't want to pay the 8 cents, so I always bring my own bags. So whenever sourcing for Walmart, there's just a couple things I look for. Is one, making sure that Walmart isn't on the listing. I don't want to compete with Walmart. Second is to make sure the item has reviews. They say after one review equates to about 100 of the items being sold. So even if there's just one review, that item will likely sell on Walmart. And the third is to make sure there are other sellers on the listing. It's always good to be on with other sellers because they've also done their due diligence on that item. So yeah, so let's just go inside and see what we can find. All right, so today we're gonna do the coffee aisle. I love coffee, so I assume everyone loves coffee, so they buy a lot of it. So with just the normal Walmart app, I will go ahead and start scanning. The thing with grocery items is you have to be very aware of the expiration date. Walmart is very similar with Amazon when it comes to expiration dates. So they will start removing items that expire less than 30 days if it's at the warehouse. So you don't want to send in anything that's less than 60 days. So I personally like to not buy anything that is going to expire within 4 months. So that's something to be very aware of. So let's just start scanning and see what we can find. Okay, so with the Walmart app, we'll go ahead and scan this really quickly. And this one is not in their catalog. If the item says do not or no matching items found, that means it's just not in their catalog. So let's just go ahead and find the next one. Same with that one. So it means that this brand is probably not in the Walmart catalog. So we'll go ahead and just kind of keep going. Not in their catalog. Okay. So let's just kind of come up here and scan this one. Interesting. So it comes up with Keurig. Doesn't look like any of these are matching, so we'll just move on. And then we'll do this one. Ooh, so this one is going for $17.99, but it's out of stock for $27.97. So let's just kind of look in here and see what is going on. It's got 3,252 reviews. We could do a 2-pack because we have 2 here. And that looks like, let's just do the metrics on this one and see which one would be the best. So it'd be for $27.97 times 0.85 minus $17.99. That's not enough room for profit on this one. So let's see if we could do a 2-pack. So that one was for $43.34 times 0.85 for the referral fee. We'll do $17.99 minus 17. Yeah, that's not even any profit. So we will leave that one behind as well. But let's just keep going and see what we can find. So this one's for $14.99. And it's $5.99 here. So let's go ahead and look at it. It's got 91 reviews. It is available for shipping, and it looks like there are other third-party sellers on there. And it's going for $18.50, but also for $14.99. So let's just do it at $14.99 and let's see what that is. So $14.99 times 0.85 minus $5.99, and this is less than a pound for sure. So minus 3.45. That gives us a $3 profit. And that there is 1, 2, 3, there's 5 of them here. So, you know, times that by 5, they sell in a month. So it's a $16 profit. So let's just go ahead and grab them and see how it goes. So yeah, let's just put them in our cart. So before we put them in our cart, let's just go ahead and check the expiration date. And this is August 1st of 2024. It is June right now. June, July, August. It's cutting it close. I'm gonna pass on this one just because it's really close. I can't guarantee that these will all sell in 1 month. It would be nice, but that's just really hopeful. And I'd rather not take a gamble on it right now because I've not tested these. We could do 3 and see how it goes. So let's just do 3 and see, instead of clearing the shelf and taking off 5. But maybe they're all different expiration dates. Okay, so I'll do 3 at the end of the day. Perfect. Okay, so let's just keep going and see what else we can find. This is for $13.99 and $10.99 here. That is not enough room. $6.97, not enough room. These Pete's medium roast, $17.12, but it's $16.99. It's not a match. Not in their catalog. Okay, this is for $16.86. There's only 1 here, which is maybe in the wrong spot. So let's see what's going on with this toasted coconut mocha. So let's go ahead and, it's not being sold by Walmart, and there is another seller on there. This is for toasted coconut. Perfect. So let's just do the metrics on this one. So this one is going for $16.86. So $16.86 times 0.85 minus $5.99 minus 3.45. Perfect. That's a $4 profit. So we'll go ahead and put this one. Go ahead and take that one. Perfect. So let's just keep on going. We're finding some good stuff today. This Starbucks, Microsoft, or Starbucks, I mean, you know, Starbucks, Microsoft, same thing, right? From Seattle. This is going for $17. And I usually do follow the 3 rule. So 6 times 3 is 18. This kind of fits with it. It is fulfilled by Walmart by another pro seller, but it's not by Walmart, which is good. So let's just do the math really quickly so we know what we're looking for. 17 times 0.85, and then minus $5.99 minus 3.45. That's a $5 profit on this one, so not bad. We'll go ahead and add this one. Oh, first we need to check the expiration date. So let's check the expiration date on this one. So this expiration date is actually July 2024. So I'm so glad that I checked the expiration date, because this expires next month and I will definitely not get sold next month. And I don't want to do seller fulfilled because that's just not what I want to do right now. So let's just kind of keep going. Expiration dates are the hardest with grocery outlet because everything is so close. Okay. Back right there. Just kind of keep going and do $6.98. That is way too low for me to even think about it. It does have 330 reviews. Let's see the next seller up. It is being shipped and sold by Walmart. And let's keep going. Same with that one. Not in the catalog. $10.98, but it's being sold for $9.99. All right, well, that's it for today. We just got a few little items that I'm okay with. We're on a time crunch today, so unfortunately we couldn't do like the whole store. But always the best, category here in Grocery Outlet is the health and beauty. Their items are just so well for me on Walmart. But today we just focused on the coffee aisle, and sometimes I'll come back more during the week and do other aisles. But yeah, that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a comment, and let's like, subscribe, and let's connect.